If the sun disappeared tomorrow, the scariest part wouldn't be the darkness. It would be something no one ever talks about. You've probably heard this before. Earth freezes, everything goes dark, but today, we're going deeper. Not the obvious effects, but the hidden ones. The ones that would break humanity from the inside. When the sun disappears, for the first 8 minutes, everything feels normal, but something strange happens. Animals react before humans. Birds suddenly go silent. Dogs become restless. Wildlife starts acting wrong. They can sense subtle changes in light before we can. This is nature's warning, and most of us wouldn't even notice. Then the darkness hits. But here's something no one tells you. You would see the Milky Way like never before. The sky becomes unbelievably clear. You could actually see the structure of our galaxy. Beautiful? Yes. But also terrifying, because for the first time, you truly realize how small we are. And that realization alone would trigger massive existential panic. Most people think everything shuts down instantly, but in reality, the internet survives. For a while, data centers switch to backup generators. People go live on TikTok, YouTube. Is this happening to you too? The entire planet becomes one giant live stream of confusion. Billions of people watching the end together, but slowly, one by one, servers go offline. And for the first time in modern history, the world enters complete digital silence. Here's something even stranger. Time stops making sense. No sunrise, no sunset, no morning, no night. People lose their routines. Sleep cycles collapse. Some stay awake for 20 hours. Others sleep randomly. Within days, human psychology begins to break because we were never designed to live without light. Now imagine this. At the moment the sun disappears, thousands of planes are in the sky. At first, everything seems fine, but as systems start failing, these become the last flights. Pilots try to land, but visibility drops to zero. Airports lose power. Some flights may never make it down, disappearing silently into the darkness. As temperatures drop, something eerie happens. Sound changes. Cold air carries sound farther. You might hear distant noises more clearly, but overall, the world becomes quieter and quieter. No traffic, no birds, no human activity, just wind and the cracking of ice. This is the most disturbing part. Humanity divides into two groups: survivors who go underground and wanderers who refuse to accept reality. Some people will keep walking, waiting for the sun to come back. That denial could become one of the darkest psychological phases in human history. And here's something almost poetic. The last light on Earth won't be the sun. It will be artificial light. Cities once glowing with energy will slowly fade out. One by one, lights go dark, until finally, only a few underground lights remain. That will be humanity's last glow. And here's a mind-blowing thought. Millions of years later, if an alien civilization finds Earth, they might look at it like we look at dinosaurs. A frozen, silent world. A story that ended. So next time you feel sunlight on your skin, don't take it for granted, because in the vast universe, it might be the most important thing keeping you alive. If this made you think, stay with me, because the next question is even more terrifying.